One of the big things these days that we're really able to help our financial professionals with is a virtual office. So being an IT person, it's really helpful for me to be able to work from home, work from my laptop at a Starbucks or your local coffee shop. That's actually a lot better than Starbucks. But the way we're achieving this is by having really quality industry products that allow you to work like you were at the office effectively from just about anywhere. So one of our team members is actually up in Northern California, and he's actually functioning extremely well because part of what we're doing for him is what we would do for you. So our line of business application is cloud hosted. Actually, all of our line of business applications are cloud hosted. We're using Office 365. So when we need to do collaboration and team communication, we just pull up the TV, we all gather around it, we use Skype for Business, and we all can just have a conversation and a small conference call all remotely. So I could be at my house, my team could be at the office, and our remote engineer could be up in Northern California. We all can be on the same conference call working with each other, doing really good, meaningful work in 3 different locations. And we're a small company, there's 8 of us. So imagine what we could do for your company if you had 20, 30 employees and you wanted to be able to work together and really collaborate and move forward, but using some of the tools that we bring to the table. So that's how we're really helping our clients move forward with virtual offices.